First off, when using the rowing machine, make sure that your feet are secured into the machine. We don't need you toppling back midway through your workout. While this might look like a fully upper body workout, make sure that you're fully bending and extending the legs to get them involved with the fun. For each pull, you want to allow the legs to do the majority of the work initially, then allow your upper body to do the rest. Keep your arms fairly straight until you pass your knees, then perform the rowing movement pattern. Don't forget to think about squeezing your shoulders together rather than just pulling your arms. This will save you from burning out your biceps. Breathe in as you come towards the machine and exhale as you pull away. As you increase your intensity, you want to focus on long, forceful pulls on the machine. Imagine Olympic rowers and the long strokes they have. Try to avoid short, choppy pulls as they're going to effectively burn you out, but not fully get the benefit of the rowing machine. The rower can be an excellent way to improve your total body conditioning, endurance, and stamina, so make sure that you give it a try and comment down below if there's any exercises that you struggle with.